Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Aster DEX. And in this video I will show you as quick as possible the basics that you need to know. So the first thing that we are going to do is click on Launch App, and then he will send us right here to the chart. Then right here what we're going to do is first of all we connect a wallet. So we click on Connect Wallet, and then you will find right here all the wallets that you once enabled to your browser. So I created an account on Phantom Wallet, and if you don't have any idea how to create an account on Phantom Wallet, please check out the previous video that I created about creating an account on Phantom Wallet. Then right now we click here on Phantom, and now you see right here this screen. Normally they're asking you for your password, so fill that in, and then after that you can click right here on Confirm. And now the first step is completed because we connected our wallet account, or Phantom Wallet to our Aster DEX. Then what we're going to do right here is we need to deposit money to our Aster DEX. So what we're going to do is click on Deposit. Right here select perpetual account is fine. Then we want Solana, and then select right here the amount. So let's do 100. Then you click right here on Deposit. And then normally when you have money standing on your Phantom wallet, he will put that money from Phantom to Aster DEX right here, and then we can start trading. So right now, if you go right in the top, normally when you have money on your Phantom wallet, now is standing then right here, something like $100, for example. And if you have it right there, you know that you can start trading. You can also transfer your perpetual account money right there, and then you can transfer to a spot trading money. So then fill in right here, the balance that you want to transfer, and then you can click on transfer, and then you switch it from perpetual to a spot money. So right now what we're going to do is very simple. We want to create a position and want to buy something. So if you want to do that, you go right here left in the top and then search for what you want to buy. So let's say we want to buy, for example, Cardano. Then we select right here Cardano, and then if you click right here on buy by market, you can select right here for how much money you want to buy, but you also have right here a order place. Right here we can create ourselves the order. So right now we do market price, and then fill in right here the size. So we want to buy it for $100 or USDT. Then what you can do is right here a TP or SL. So create a take profit or a stop loss if you want to do that. And then right now, if you want to create yourselves right here Cardano, you click right here on buy. Now it's standing on deposit because we need money on our account. But normally when you have money right here on your account, you can click right here, and then the order comes right here to the bottom. And then you created for yourselves a nice position. Now you can also do this for a limit order or a stop limit, but you need to play right there for yourselves what you want to do. But this is how you can buy. And so this works exactly the same, but then right here is standing sell if you want to sell it. So you have buy standing right there or sell. You have two types. It's standing then like this when you are having money on your account. Then besides that, you can just use here the paintings or other nice options right here. So if you want to create a line like this, we can do that very easily on that way. Then if you click on portfolio, you will find right here your value, your P&L in the 7 days, and all your trading history right here. So with that, I mean your P&Ls about every day. Then right here you have a referral. So if you want to let people join or want them to use your referral, you can do this right here. You have also staking if you want to use that. Yeah, you can manage it from here. You have also an Explorer page. You have rewards right here. So you can earn points right here on Aster DEX if you want to do that. And you have right here a lot of more that you can use on Aster DEX. Then right now you can change right here the language, and if you go right in the top, you have also here many settings that you can do. You can change the theme right here. You can reset your trading panels. But this is in a nutshell, guys, what you need to know if you want to start trading right here on Aster DEX. So if you want to know something, please comment that below so maybe I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.